Hey, this is Minutes Worthey, and today we're going to give you a summary of a Nature article about the most recent research updates about coronavirus. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Let's get started. Regarding the limiting of spread of coronavirus in communities in which virus can spread incredibly fast, the usage of relatively insensitive tests paired with isolation will limit the virus spread, although the testing method was less sensitive than quantitative polymerase chain reaction, which is accurate but expensive and somehow slow in showing the results. Spike protein of coronavirus passes slightly to a receptor in cell surface called angiotensin converting enzyme 2, and this allows the virus to invade the cell. Scientists manage to detect amino acids that allows this bending, and this may help in treatment. As if scientists altered these amino acids, then the ability of spike protein to bind to angiotensin converting enzyme 2 will be impaired. And we still with this receptor, angiotensin converting enzyme 2. And you should know that mice have a different version of the receptor, making them impervious to coronavirus. A team of scientists has delivered human angiotensin converting enzyme 2 gene to mice, making them no more impervious, but they managed to treat them with therapeutic antibodies. This also may help in our journey to find a treatment. Also, scientific research shows that second protein called neuropilin-1 aids SARS-CoV-2 insulin invasion. This provides a new target for researchers to develop a treatment. Moving to monkeys and efforts to develop a vaccine, taking a spike protein of coronavirus at the base of the research. A group of scientists developed 6 DNA vaccines and tested them on species of monkeys. And then these monkeys are given a dose of coronavirus. A viral replication in vaccinated monkeys was lower than unvaccinated monkeys. The strength of the ability of the people with COVID-19 to spread the virus is the same before and after the appearance of the symptoms, and those who are less than 20 years old are less susceptible to catch a coronavirus from one of their family. Generally, children are less susceptible to be infected, and elderly people under 65 years old are less likely to be positive to the past coronavirus infection. By examination of the prevalence of the underlying condition that predisposes people infected with coronavirus to develop severe illness, the team of scientists estimates that 1.7 billion all over the world are more susceptible to develop severe illness, and 350 million that have no underlying medical conditions will need hospitalization. The main route of transmission through exhaled or coughed droplets, while contaminated surface touching have a minor role in coronavirus spread. Regarding developing respiratory failure due to coronavirus, your type plays a role, as researchers have shown that A+ people are higher risk of developing respiratory failure more than other blood types, and people with blood type O are protected to some extent. COVID-19 is a respiratory disease. However, some patients experience a stroke. This is a non-respiratory symptom. From that, you should know that coronavirus may exist in the brain, kidney, heart, liver, and blood, in addition to the lung. According to researchers, your pet dog can catch coronavirus infection. However, there is no evidence that infected dogs can spread coronavirus or even they will show illness symptoms. And this is the end of our episode. Wait us in the upcoming one with another story about the effect of coronavirus on trade and history of slavery.